최고. 라라라라라.
I'm so drunk I can barely
Pizza's so nice.
pizza.
Oh, ho, ho.
And was afraid. I believed in all their lies. I believed that I was safe and that I would never die. Now I'm all alone. I've been hiding in the dark. I just want to go home, but my deeds sent me too far. I often do pretend. Can't you see I'm broken down? I wish this were the end, but I continue, I vow. Now I'm all alone. I'm still fighting in the dark. As sad and slowly roam, we can only go so far. Always begging please, yet the outcome I would dread. I have fallen to my knees, let my pride get to my head. Now I'm all alone, hearing whispers in the dark. I wander through the past, seeing memories afar. All stay strong, we live eternally. All is well in the after family. Minds they fell to pure insanity. All is hell in the after family.
Monster, how shall I feel? Creatures lie here, looking through the window.
really don't remember what you did to me? What I did for you?
No. I worked at Alchemax.
I ran a test on this collider that brought a spider here from another dimension. 42.
Its home dimension.
It escaped, and it bit you. My spider made you Spider-Man.
I've hit a lot of different villains with a lot of different
You
fools.
make your flippy, little sassy jokes, and everyone loves them. But no one knows what it feels like to be on the other side of them.
I'm just trying to lighten the mood.
I created you. You created me.
Spider-Man, why did you create that guy?
I didn't. He's talking crazy.
I was in this collider room when you blew it up! Because of you, I lost my job, my life, my face. I made you into a hero. You made me into this.
Oh, ho, ho. So, this whole time, I've been through your dumb games. I tried to be nice, but then you just straight up say, yeah, you hate me. You choke me to death.
Your hands are too small. Let me help.
You burned me alive. You even beat me up and give me a score. Oh, no spot for you guys. I'll do the same thing.
You messed up.
Wait.
You promised that you would be good, but you broke that promise. Your friends are angry at you. Are you that dumb? Now you are going to face the consequences.
The children